Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find recorded videos saved as draft in CapCut. Okay, first of all, I'm going to record a video using my CapCut. I'm going to tap on the camera button and I'm going to record a video. Like this. Okay, and I'm going to save this video as draft. So we just need to go back, but you can edit the video first. If you want to edit the video, you can tap on the edit button and you can edit right here. And I'm just going to go back. And if you want to find the video, you just need to go back to the CapCut homepage. But before, you can click on save as draft. Okay, and we can go back. Alright, and this is the video that I have just created. And that's how you can find the recorded video saved as draft in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.